We're about to fit this 200 TDI into this blue 90, and I thought it'd be a good time to show you that all the pieces that we've got. We've got here a new bearing. This came from Clutch Fix, and it came included with an aluminium stubby bearing support, so that's nice. And of course, actually, we've got one of my clutch forks, and these do fit. I've just tested it. So what we're going to do is put some white lithium grease on here. Get it splashed on, because this is the last chance you've got. Alrighty. Plenty on that ball. Now remember what I said to you before, that this is the stubby push rod. Don't put the longer one in because it won't work. I've already put white lithium grease on here and in here just to be sure. We can put that bearing in last. There isn't much room to work in here, but we'll manage. Right, so get that. I don't know if you can see. Can you see that, Mark? Can you see on the camera?
Now we can.
Eh?
Now we can.
Because they are a bit trickier than the. Because getting the fork in. You have to. You'd really be better off with the master, with the slave out. Right. So I've got this in. When I tested it before, I've got the piston pushed back. Notice too that the slave has got the bleeder at the top where it should be. Now we'll fit this thing. I've noticed in here it's got a ridge. Can you see that? There's a little ridge. It isn't parallel, so it's got less friction on that thing. So that's a good thing, I would have thought. So I'll tell you what. I'll put some grease inside there, not just for lubrication, just to stop it rusting, because it is a Land Rover, you know, it's going to be rust. Right, we'll put that on. Like that. Turn it a bit, and then there. See, it goes right to the back. It doesn't catch anywhere, and then when you put your clutch in, that's going to work super smooth. But you can see how it's wiped all that grease off there, mate. Put a bit more on just in case. We've already got some on the spline and on the, put a new bush in it, so we'll do a bit like that just to make sure it's going to be nice. That's it then, Mark, eh?
Sounds like it.
Let's get it in, like the bishop said to the actress. So we'll need a jack. I think there's a trolley jack down. Is it down there, Mark, or is it at the front? Yeah, we'll have to jack up this bell housing as far as we can go. We've got to move these pipes out because they're going to get nipped. Now you've probably seen on here that we've got the wheels off, and the reason for that is my trolley jack, oh not my trolley jack, but my engine lift catches the inside of the tyre. So seeing we've got it on the lift, we'll just do it like that. I think that'll be just work out nice. So let's get it up and let's get it in. Here we go.
Mine's in.
Oh, I see, because it's a fucking hole.
What?
There's no hole. There's no hole there. I'm sure of it. There's no hole. Well, we can't get it in. No hole there. It has to go in. It has to go in one higher up, Mark.
Shit.
No deal. No big deal. It needs to go into, we're looking here, you see? There's no hole. So it wants to go in this one. Or that one. This one. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
No hole in it. Right, pull it up, start again. That was just a practice.
Is it enough with two?
No. Right, because this is a genuine stubby bell housing, but it was for an R38. How was it for an R380 to 2.5? I don't know, not a 200 TDI. It's different, isn't it?
You took that bell housing off the 2.5?
This came complete.
Okay. And what do we got in there, an LT77?
R380.
R38.
So the bell housing is shorter. It's what's called a stubby. I would have thrown it in the scrap myself, but there you go. Anyway, now we'll get it in. Do you want to put that over there, Mark, where we were before? Because you're going to be on that side. I've got to say what you think. What if we just pull it back, take the studs out and just try it straight on the spline?
Yeah.
Or just one guide stud through the top, just to make sure it's in line. Put a shorter stud
With
in
the two of us here, we don't need those guide studs at all, do we?
Well, we shouldn't do, but it usually makes life easy, but we can't see.
Yeah.
We can't see down in the spline. This is why I don't like these engines, because you can't actually see
Yeah.
that way. We can't quite. It's. Yeah, that's not even going into the clutch. It's like.
Huh. I saw you took it up, but I didn't see where you set it down. Oh.
Oh, it's still on. Right, so our angle's wrong now. On here.
Yes.
So we want to go.
Tail down, nose up. And then the whole assembly up.